Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we have a quick unboxing. What you just saw there was some 8K 60p footage slowed down to 24p, and this is a quick unboxing of the new Canon R5c. And I'm really excited to test out this camera and see what it can do and put it through its paces. Yes, what's amazing about this camera is that it does not overheat, and it also has the ability to shoot 8K at 60p, which is kind of cool. So that's really exciting. Now, to do that, it does take an external battery to be plugged into the camera, but I found out that the external battery that I have that charges my phone works perfectly for this purpose. What makes this camera so unique, it's really two cameras in one. When you switch the camera to stills mode, it's basically a Canon R5. But when you switch it to video mode, it is a full-fledged cinema camera. Yes, the menus are completely different. You can set the shutter to angles. You have so much more control than you do when you're using a regular mirrorless camera. It really is unique in that regard. Let's take a look at the ports on the camera. This is the timecode port. And over here you have your HDMI and your USB-C. Now it is a micro HDMI, which doesn't bother me, and a USB-C, and that's what you will use to power the camera when you do shoot 8K 60p recording. And over here on this side, you have your headphone jack and your microphone jack. And that other port there, that is your flash sync port. Okay, so I'm really excited to test out this camera. It's really cool. Oh, by the way, let's take a look at the memory card slots. Okay, so here you have your SD card slot, and I will be using this when I have the camera switched to stills mode. And here, CF Express Type B slot. So primarily, I'm going to be shooting 8K all the time with this camera. I'm going to be shooting 8K 24p, 8K 30, and 8K 60p. So that's my main focus. And why? Well, because that's how you get your best picture. Yes, when you downsample it to 4K, it looks incredible. Plus, you can crop in on the footage, make your shots look a lot more cropped, and you're still at 4K. And that is amazing. So if you want to see that kind of content, be sure to check back on my channel for more videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and have a wonderful day.